Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by isolating the raw phone column and removing obvious noise. First, copy the original column to preserve data. Then use find and replace to remove spaces, dashes, parentheses, and plus signs so you have contiguous digits. Once done, run a quick check with LEN and IS number to verify lengths and that entries are numeric. Make sure to trim stray characters. This guarantees consistent input before you apply formatting or formulas in the next step. You now convert clean digits into a readable phone format. Use a formula like equals text, substitute, 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 A2, 000-000-0000 for standard 10-digit numbers. If entries include country codes or variable lengths, make sure to normalize by taking the last 10 digits with right, cleaned 10 before text formatting. As you work down the column, copy the formula and scan for any odd lengths, resolving those early. Finish by converting formulas to static values. Copy the formatted column and paste special values. Then add data validation or conditional formatting to flag any cells with LEN not equal to 14 for formatted entries or not equal to 10 for raw digits. If something goes wrong, check for leading apostrophes that force text, cells showing ### because the column is too narrow, or leftover non-digit characters. Fixing those will immediately restore correct formatting and prevent future errors.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.